If you keep losing money in crypto, it's not probably because the market is against you. It's because you were never taught on how to read the market properly. Welcome to the BETONG Crypto. This channel is built for those who are tired of hype, random predictions, and emotional trading, and want to learn how to read the market like a pro. I used to chase hype and follow random calls. It cost me lots of money. And you know what? Everything changed when I learned about market structure, liquidity behavior, and capital rotation. That's why this channel exists. Yeah? We read the market first, then we react. We analyze structure before entering trade. We protect capital before chasing profits. And above all, we trade Bitcoin as the base currency that leads the market. On this channel, you will learn market structure, Bitcoin capital rotation, fair value gaps, order block, risk management, and professional trading mindset. If you're serious about learning crypto the right way, then subscribe to the BETONG Crypto and grow consistently. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.